Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today, we're blending up something simple, smooth, and powerful, a flaxseed smoothie. This natural remedy has been cherished for years as a gentle way to support women's hormones and overall balance. If you're looking for a natural way to support hormone health, ease PMS symptoms, or promote better digestion and skin, this daily smoothie is a must-try. Today's remedy is the Flaxseed Smoothie, a delicious, fiber-rich blend that helps balance estrogen, support digestion, and boost skin and heart health. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and half ripe banana. To make it, add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Drink it fresh each morning, ideally on an empty stomach or as part of your breakfast. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, a plant compound that naturally supports estrogen balance, making this smoothie especially helpful during hormonal shifts like menstruation or perimenopause. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help with inflammation and support skin health, as well as soluble fiber, which improves digestion and promotes regularity. Add this hormone-balancing smoothie into your daily routine and feel the difference in your mood, energy, and gut health. Don't forget to follow Gramma's Remedies so you're always the first to receive the next soothing wellness tip. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using herbal or natural remedies, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or managing health conditions. Thank you for joining us at Gramma's Remedies. See you next time with more timeless care from the heart.